Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is October 2009. October 2009. Okay. And paper 1 and question number is 8. He said the first term of AP is 8. So I mean first term of AP is 8. AP, he mentioned. So A is equal to 8. And common difference is D. So D is equals to D. So first term is same. Fifth term and eighth term. He mentioned first term, fifth term, eighth term are in AP. Okay, so let me first write. So I'm looking for what two terms? I'm looking for fifth term, T5. I'm looking for eighth term. So I will, first of all, I will find this one. So there's a part number 1. So I will just collect this data and I move on this page. So let's start. Okay, so wait a minute. So here. So now let's apply T5 and T8. How to get T5, T8? If you know it, you know formula of AP, Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Whenever you confuse students, so please write formula. It makes the question easier. Now you replace N is equal to 5 and here N equal to 8. If I replace 5 here, so it becomes T5 and A is 8. You can see from here. And I replace 5 here, 5 minus 1, 4. So this is my, this one clear. Same approach, 8, I put a T8 here. Again, A is 8. And I'm going to plug in 8 minus 1, 70. So this is clear. According to statement, what he said? He said first term, first term of AP, fifth term of AP, and eighth term of AP are what? Look, I'm writing 8, 8 plus 40, 8 plus 70 are in AP, in arithmetic progression. According to statement, these three terms are what? Repeat. First term, fifth term, eighth term are first, second, and third term of GP. Look, he mentioned geometric progression. So it means I can stay here. This is called first term, second term, third term of GP. So I'm writing here, this is the first term, this is second term, and this is called third term of GP. This story is very clear. And you know, people, all of you know, first term is 8 as 8 according to statement. So you know how to get a second term of GP, multiply with R, 8R. How to get third term, multiply with R again. I get AR to power 2. So he said here, make two equations. Read the statement, please. Make two equations, DR, and then show R is 3 by 4. And find D as well. So as we know, these are equals to each other. Look, I show you blue arrows. This is equals to each other. This is, or I make it this way arrow better. So this is equals to this, clear. This is equal to this, clear. And this is equal to this, clear. So I'm going to make two equations now. So this and this equals to each other. I'm writing 8 plus 4D equal to 8R. Equation number 1. And same approach, 8 plus 70 equal to AR to power 2, equation number 2. Okay. Now what to do onwards? So I can, I have to get rid of D. Okay, because he said that make a R, show the R answer. So what is the method to do, make a D subject? Okay. So I can do elimination method or I think I can do substitution as well. So one equation give me D subject, this 8 will go and subtract 8R minus 8 and this 4 will divide. So this value of D, I'm going to put it there. So this is a little bit complicated, but I think inshallah you will be able to do it. 8 plus 7 times to D equal to 8R square. And this value is going it here. So 8R minus 8 over 4. So 8, 7 multiply inside the bracket, 56. 56. Okay. Now multiply into 4, throughout into 4. So 8 4 the 32. So this is remains same. 8 4 the 32R square. Reorder 32R square and minus 56R. And this simplify from 56. From 56, subtract 32. I got a 4 and I got 24. But it is a negative, become positive 24. Okay. And divided the whole equation with 8. 8 4 the 32, 8 7 the 56, 8 3 the 24. So now I can factorize 3 4 the 12, or I can apply quadratic formula. So I think minus 4r and minus 3r plus 3 equal to 0. So 4r common, I got r minus 1, and minus 1 common, I got r1, I'm sorry, 3 common, r minus 1. Now I can say I got r minus 1 and 4r minus 3 equals to 0. I have two answers, r equal to 1 is not possible, and here 3 by 4 proved. So let me tell you why not 1 equal to, why not 1? The logic. If you have a 2 and into multiply 1, I got 2. Into 1, I got 2. So GP cannot proceed if R is 1. Make sure if R is 1, we cannot make a geometrical progression. Why? Because A into R, when I get it, I cannot proceed. Anyway, now common difference. How to get common difference, students? You know it very well. I can plug in this R value, which is 3 by 4 in any one equation. I think I can plug in this equation. So let me copy paste this equation. So when I copy it here, you can see, students. So copy paste. So when I replace this value here, 3 by 4, so 4 is already available. 8 times 2, 304. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So common difference about to come. So 6 minus 8 or 4. And D is becoming negative half. Done. So part number 2 finished. Part number 1, sorry, one finished. Part number 2. He is asking part number 2 what? Find sum of infinity of GP and find the sum of the 8. So my 2 plan is what? Part number 2, sum of infinity, and part number 3, what we have. So AP, we need to find the sum of the first 8 terms in AP. And this on GP. So this is my planning. So I take this whole thing and shift on the next page. Okay, so let's fulfill this planning. Okay, part number 2 and part number 3. So this part number 2 and part number 3. So this is a part number 2. Let's try. What are the formulas? Infinity formula, what? A upon 1 minus R. A is what for 8 and R is what? 3 upon 4. Let me check. 3 upon 4. Yes. 3 upon 4. If LCM taken denominator, LCM is coming 4, and 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 will go up, 32. So sum infinity is 32, and 4 minus 3 is 1. So same way I go for the other part formula of the AP, Sn equal to n divided by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 into D. And for this, because I'm looking for 8 terms, so 8, every A value is very simple, 8. And every n replaced by 8. And common difference, I just got negative half. If I type in calculator, I'm getting what answer? 50. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen, I believe the point is totally clear, and I have done it question completely. Finish.